Okay, the first April favorites that I want to talk about is Coffee and Bible Time. I love their channel, and they also have another channel called Coffee Girls that I've been enjoying as well. And the second channel is Girl Defined. I love their channel. And the third channel is Charisma Life TV. It's Karis. You may know her channel, Charisma Star TV, but their vlog channel has been awesome. They have faith-based videos on there and vlogs, and they post 5 days a week, and I've been loving their channel. I've also been liking Jordan Cheyenne's channel. All her fitness series called Shred. It's awesome. It has all her eating and workouts and stuff, and it's just, I like channels that really inspire me to work out and stuff, and hers is one of those kind of channels. Moving on to favorite TV shows for this month was Counting On was one of my favorite TV shows for this month. My favorite book this month was Love Defined, Embracing God's Vision for Lasting Love and Satisfying Relationships. I had this awesome opportunity this month to be a part of their launch team, and I'll have my review of this book linked below. I really liked it. It's really good. And also this month I got this new Bible. It is so pretty, and I just never seen a Bible like this. It is a Holman Bible, and I just saw this at Ollie's, and I had to pick it up because it was like $10, and it's really cheap for a really nice Bible like this one. It's just your standard Bible, and it has all kinds of different study helps in the back and stuff. But I really liked the verse that it had. If you have faith as a grain of a mustard seed, ye shall say unto this mountain, remove hence to yonder place, and it shall be removed, and nothing shall be impossible unto you. Matthew 17:20. It has that pretty tree like I said before in it. I just really like this Bible. Love it. And it was a favorite of this month. Another favorite has been my journaling Bible. This is the Beautiful Words, New King James Version journaling Bible. And to go with that has been this little Bible journaling kit that I got a few weeks ago. And in that kit, it had stickers, and I used the stickers to write out this verse, and I just hand lettered that, and I wrote some of the words out because I didn't have enough stickers, and I used some of the coloring, the pencils that were in here, the colored pencils that were in this kit. See, that kit just came with a bunch of stuff, stickers, and I'll link this kit below if I can find it on the internet. This was a favorite of this month, and I'll show you some of my entries. This is my most recent entry, and it will be on a Bible journaling video on my second channel called Teens Growing in Jesus. I'll leave that channel in the description below, but I'll show you one more of my entries that I did this month. One of my entries that I did this month. But that is why my journaling Bible is one of my favorites, because I've been using it a lot this month, and this kit as well. For hair care, this has definitely been my favorite hair care product. The Cantu Shea Butter for natural hair, coconut curling cream. This is awesome, and I love this stuff. I used 5 bottles last summer, and I'm sure I'm going to be going through a lot this summer too. But this is awesome and very cheap. My last but not least favorites have been Hip Hop Abs workout DVDs and the Rock and Body workout DVDs. I have way more than this, but these are just some of the ones. My favorites have been Fat Burning Cardio, Ab Sculpt, and I like the Mark Move and Groove on the blue Rock and Body. But all of these workouts are awesome, and I just love these, and they have really been helping me get into better shape, and I've lost some weight. So yeah, well, that was my favorites for this month. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.